guys, this is Kelly and today I'm gonna teach you how to apply eyelashes. As you guys know, I have just launched my own lash line and it's called Dollsoutbeauty. If you guys have not known about my eyelashes line, I will link the website down below in my description box, and also I've been loving all these lashes that I got, so I want to show you guys. So this pair is got high maintenance. As you guys can see, it has a wispy lash across the band and also has more wispy longer lashes at the end, so it gives off a cat eye effect. If you love false eyelashes, please go down and try to get some of this Dollsoutbeauty eyelashes because they are so oh my god, this is a little bit of self-promo, but they are so comfortable to wear and they are also very wispy, and if you can see the lash band, it's very thin, so if you put it on your eyelids, it does not even feel a single bit, and oh my gosh, like you guys will really love it. And I love wearing eyelashes is because I can just take it out and it's fast free right after I remove my makeup, because for eyelash extensions for me, I usually will have a little bit of trouble with eyelashes, and sometimes some dirt will get stuck on my eyelashes, so I always have to brush it out. And whenever I wash my face or like shower, like I couldn't really open my eyes because the eyelashes will be filled with water, and if I press onto my eyelashes too hard, then the lash will shed, so it's really a worry and it's a little bit fussy for me. So usually I always wear false So usually I always wear false eyelashes, and also on Instagram I always put on very thick makeup or like dramatic makeup. So if I have eyelash extension on, I couldn't really put on fake eyelashes anymore. And for different looks, I usually put on different kind of eyelashes to suit the look. So it's very versatile and fast free and I love it. So this is what I'll be wearing today. Before we jump into the tutorial, I want to tell you guys that this pair of lashes is retailing at $16, very affordable, and they can wear up to 25 times if you take care of them properly and put it back here after every cleanse. And also, they are Mink lashes, so they are very feathery and it has a very flirtatious look. It's very soft. I use them all on my Instagram makeup look, so if you guys want to look at my Instagram or look at these lashes, you can go down below. I have links of all my Instagram and my website, everything down below, so go check out, guys. Wanted to do a proper wing but I can't. Okay, so first step is to measure and cut your eyelashes. For me, I always cut the front part of my eyelashes because at the ends are always wispy and it's always very long and nice. I don't want to cut off or remove that effect. So first step is to cut your lashes, but you really need to measure your eyes first. So if you guys can see, it's a little bit too long at the ends. So I'm just gonna cut out like maybe just one section of it. Just cut here. Just cut out this section, and you place it on your eyes again and measure again. Okay, for me I think it's perfectly okay. Okay, it will look like that later on. So second step is to put on some mascara on your eyelash first, and then it will not look very weird if you have false lashes on your eyes and then you have your normal lashes sticking out. So this one, it's a good step to take note. Pro tip: to add on, do not curl your lashes before you put on mascara so it does not obstruct the way when you glue your eyelashes onto your eyelids. So third step is to put on eyelash glue. So eyelash glue, what I love is this. This is my favorite eyelash glue. This is by Dupe and it's a Japanese brand. I bought it in Japan. This is super hard eyelash glue and it's so freaking sticky. Love this. Another one that is more accessible and you can get it at the local Sasa store is this darkness one. So this eyelash glue, it's like this. It's the black glue, and if you are a bit more pro, you can use this because sometimes if your hand is a little bit like wobbly and you accidentally poke it on your real eyelids with your eyeshadow on, everything done, this one will be your worst enemy because like the eyelash glue will just stuck here and looks like your eyeliner on your eye. So if you are not so pro, try to avoid this, but you can buy this darkness one in their original version, which is the clear gel. For the dupe one, I really love this. This one is the clear one. and it's so sticky. I don't usually bring eyelash glue out because these two are very sticky, but if you are very careful and you want to be more wary, you can bring eyelash glue out so in case your eyelash drop out in the middle of the day. But usually for my eyelashes and this glue, it will not ever drop off. So for glue, you just got to put a very tiny layer. You don't need to put a lot, okay? Because a lot of people have this mindset of putting a lot and you thought that like the glue can, you know, stick onto your eye with a thick layer, but no! I'm just gonna put a very thin layer, okay? You don't have to put too much. And then focus more in the front and ends of your eyelashes because that's where it will come off in the middle of the day. So all you have to do now is to blow it, and also if you guys can see, I only put a very tiny layer of eyelash glue on my false lashes, and you want to wait till the glue is totally dry. You don't want to put it on when it's, you know, whitish and liquidy because it will only ruin your eye makeup or you can't even stick it properly. So I'm just waiting for it to dry. While waiting, I'll always apply the other side so I will not waste time. Okay, more or less it's dry already. And then all you have to do now is the important step. You have to look down like that, have your mirror here, look downwards, and then place it on top. I'll just like zoom you guys in, okay? So all you have to do again is to look down, okay? And then pop it here. So once you pop it on your eye, right, you can just adjust it to your eye shape and then how like your comfort level and stuff. And then as you guys can see, I'm always just gonna pop it right in. So just push it in right after you put on your eyelashes. Okay, so once you're done with putting on your eyelashes, you can just try to color in the side of your eye. So another way of putting on your lashes is to just put on your lashes first and then use mascara to blend in your lashes and your false eyelashes, but I don't like to do that, so I usually put on a little bit of mascara first and then pop my lashes on and then use a black eyeliner to just close up the gaps and also cover up the glue, the clear glue. Okay, so I'm done with putting on my eyelashes and also coloring the gaps that are, you know, in between my lids and my false eyelashes, and also coloring the white glue area. Close up so it looks like that. So if you guys can see, you can't see my natural eyelashes sticking out because it has already merged in with my false eyelashes. If you don't want to dirty your false eyelashes, you can apply some mascara, just a thin layer of mascara first, and then pop your false eyelashes in and then use this to cover up your gaps. Another way is to not put mascara first and then pop your false eyelashes onto your waterline here, very near your eyelashes. After that, use mascara to merge in your natural eyelashes with the false eyelashes, but that will dirty your false eyelashes. So this is High Maintenance by Dollsoutbeauty, and if you want a cat eye illusion and effect, you can use these eyelashes and you don't even have to put on eyeliner after this because you can see how it creates this cat eye look. I will also upload a full Dollsoutbeauty lashes video for you guys, and you guys can actually choose from that video and you guys can buy it in my store. And also leave a comment on what kind of video you guys want me to do or try out in the comment bar down below. And also, since you're already here, click onto the subscription box and also turn on your post notifications so you guys won't ever miss out whenever I post a new video. So see you guys in my next video. Bye!